What's up, everyone? This is Christian for Planet Ford and Spring. Today we're going to be going over 3 custom rides. This is going to be a package we're going to be offering. We're going to have some in stock and also available to order with the package. With the package, it's going to be customizable. So on this one in particular, we did 35-inch Nittos along with American Forces, 22-inch American Forces. And we also added a 6-inch Ready Lift with Falcon shocks. We have others in stock as well. This is just what we did to this one, and the package is going to be customizable. So the good news with this kit, it's going to keep all full warranty. It's done professionally here in-house, and it's relatively affordable as well. You can finance it also within the truck, so everything's professionally done. So any questions, come see me, Christian. And like I said, we're going to have plenty in stock, so come by and check it out, okay?